Top 10 Auto Repair in Omaha. 1. Exclusive Repair, 4.9 1779 Reviews, Leavenworth St. 2. West Omaha Auto Service, 4.9 1061 Reviews, South 133rd Court. 3. Ally Auto Service, 4.9 412 Reviews, West Center Road Suite 2. 4. At SLM Auto Care LLC, 4.9 410 Reviews, Keystone Dr. 5. The Buchanan Service Center, 4.9 213 Reviews, West Dodge Road. 6. Cartech Auto Repair, 4.9 207 Reviews, South 75th Street. 7. Omaha Japanese Auto Repair, 4.9 188 Reviews, South 134th Street. 8. Speedy Mobile Mechanic, 4.9 151 Reviews, Vernon Avenue. 9. Mad Hatter Auto Repair, 4.8 958 Reviews, South 140th Avenue. 10. West Omaha Auto Service, 4.8 709 Reviews, Gold CIR.